Hey guys, welcome to another video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Today we've got the bonnet strut kit for the BT50. I pulled the stuff out already. There's the brackets there. Another one in your pocket. Yeah, so you got the brackets, the little nipple things that you put on as well, and the struts, and they go here. So you got one hole here for the spare, like the single ones, these you put the washers on and bolt them on there, and then these ones go up here, just undo the bolt and put them up like that, like so. So I'm going to go ahead, unwrap the next one, get it all set up, and I'll put it on a time lapse so you can see. But this is probably one of the quickest mods that you can do, and the easiest ones. We did put a Bullbar on yesterday. I couldn't record it because it's a bit of a pain in the ass to do it by yourself, so I'm going for the Iron Man Bullbar. You can see here, it's all on there. There's covers underneath there as well. You leave a little gap here so when you're forward driving, it doesn't rub on the guard. So yeah, that's the Iron Man Deluxe Bullbar, and has the fog lights in it as well. We will be putting our UHF aerial on, and we might go a couple of 7-inch spotties. So I'll go ahead now and put on a time lapse of me putting the bonnet struts on.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious.
So just like that, you can see I put one little nipple thing here, and put the bracket with the other nipple thing up here, and then next goes in your strut. You can see I've placed that one over there. I'll go ahead and do that now. That side, this side. That's it. Bonnet struts are on there. You can see that there. That's it. Whoops. Just squish all the tools, it's alright. So yeah, that's them there. That's the bonnet. Probably should have come out from factory like that, but yeah. Thanks for watching this episode, guys. That's how to install your bonnet struts. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the videos I've made. Like, subscribe, and do your thing. Thank you, guys.